Good morning, students. Welcome to the digital learning class, to the 4th standard social studies class. In last class, we have learnt 7th lesson, our crops. Today, we will learn 8th lesson, India's art and culture, part 1. In this video, we shall learn India's art and culture, classical and folk dance in India, and Indian music and musical instruments. Now let us see. Our country India is known all over the world for its rich history, art and cultural heritage. India has a diverse array of arts ranging from music, dance and theatre to folk traditions, performing arts, rites and rituals, paintings, sculpture and architectural marvels. Now comes classical dance. Classical dance show a strong influence of the state they belong to. Students, we will see some famous classical dance of the states. Indian classical dance forms include Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Kathakali and Mohinattam, Kerala, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Yakshagana, Karnataka, Manipuri, Manipur, Odissi, Odisha, and Satriya from Assam. These are the famous classical dance of the India. Students, now we will see some famous folk dances of India's. Folk dances are popular dance formed over a period of time as a result of social evolution. These reflect social traditions and customs of a particular area. Very often folk dances are performed in group, especially during religious, social and cultural festivals. Now we will see some famous folk dances. Bhangra, Punjab, Garba, Gujarat, Lavani, Maharashtra, Gumar, Rajasthan, and Bihu in Assam are popular folk dances of India's. Folk dances groups are often invited to perform during cultural programs in foreign countries. Now comes music. Like dance, music too is an integral part of Indian art and culture. The two major styles of Indian classical music are the Hindustani style of music and the Carnatic style of music. Most often dances supported by music make the experience unforgettable. Indian classical music uses string instruments such as sitar, sarangi, tanpura, and veena. Indian musical instruments also include wind instruments like flute, shehnai, as well as percussion instruments like tabla, mridangam, and pakwach are used like drums. Now students, we will see some famous Indian musicians. See students, Viko Vinayakaram, Hari Prasad, Shivkumar Sharma, Zakir Hussain, Amjad Ali Khan, Gaurav Shankar, and Dr. Subramaniam. So students, these are the famous musicians of India's. Today we have learned India's art and culture, classical and folk dance in India, and Indian music and musical instruments. Remaining part we will see in next video. Thank you.